Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for HTML. First, understand that Figma is a powerful cloud-based design tool, perfect for crafting user interfaces and experiences. It allows for real-time collaboration, making design handoff smoother. We'll explore how to leverage its features to create designs that are ready for web development, focusing on practical steps and efficient workflows. This approach ensures your designs translate seamlessly into functional web pages. Next, let's discuss essential design principles within Figma. Employing a robust grid system, perhaps a 12-column structure, provides a solid foundation for your layout. Carefully define your typography, establishing clear font sizes and weights for headings and body text. A well-chosen color palette, including primary, secondary, and accent colors, ensures visual harmony. Remember to design responsively, ensuring your layout adapts beautifully to screens from mobile phones to large desktops. Now, let's talk about getting your designs into code. While some plugins can generate basic HTML and CSS, often a more refined approach is needed. You can manually inspect elements in Figma to extract precise CSS properties, ensuring pixel-perfect translation. Organizing your layers and components meticulously within Figma directly contributes to a cleaner, more manageable code structure. Effective communication with your development team, sharing detailed specifications, is absolutely key for a smooth handoff. Finally, let's cover best practices and optimization. Always optimize your images directly within Figma to ensure faster loading times for your web pages. Leverage Figma's powerful auto layout features to build flexible and responsive designs that adapt effortlessly. Creating reusable components not only saves time, but also guarantees design consistency across your entire project. And remember, thorough testing across multiple browsers and screen sizes is crucial for delivering a polished and high-quality user experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.